Hi guys, thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious homemade chipotle steak bowl. Okay guys, so let's start by making our salsa. Here I have some diced tomatoes, diced red onions, some cilantro, salt, black pepper, and some lime juice. Basically, what you want to do is just combine all of your ingredients, mix really well, and set aside. My salsa is very simple. I don't like doing too much to it. I don't like the taste when you start adding a whole bunch of stuff. So mine is super simple and to the point. Next, we'll be making some guacamole. So here I have some avocados, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Very simple. Again, I don't like when you do too much to it. I like it very simple and to the point. So basically, we'll mash our avocados, add the rest of the ingredients, mix well, and set aside. Now let's prepare our steak. Here I have one ribeye steak. I did went ahead and wash it thoroughly and pat it dry. For the seasonings, I'll be using some cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, some tomato bouillon, and seasoned salt. We'll mix all of the seasoning until they're well combined, and then we'll go ahead, add some oil to the steak, just to allow the seasonings to adhere to the steak, and then we will generously coat the steak with the seasoning, allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start searing it off. So today I'll be using my grill pan. I will coat it with some oil generously, and then we will place the steak in here. Allow the steak to go for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. I like my steak cooked medium, but if you like yours well done, feel free to go ahead and cook it longer. Once it is brown on one side, we'll go ahead and flip it over. Allow it to be golden brown on the other side as it cooks through to medium. Then we will flip it on the side and actually render that fat off for a bit. And once it is done, we will remove it, allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before cutting into that steak. So now you just want to cut that steak up into cubes. And if you want to do chicken, you sure can. I actually did chicken as well, but I didn't show you guys that because my family isn't ready to eat yet. So I can't prepare their bowls to show you all. So, I'm just going to show you the steak, but the chicken is done the same way. But only thing, we'll cook the chicken all the way through. Make sure the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So in no particular order, we'll fix up our bowl. There I place some rice, then we'll add some corn, some black bean, lettuce. We'll go in with our steak. You can add as much or as little as you like. We'll also add our salsa. Then we'll add our guacamole. We'll also add some sour cream, and we'll finish up with some fresh jalapenos. And there you have it, guys. My version of a chipotle steak bowl. When I tell you this was amazing, trust me, you guys will enjoy it. It is better than chipotle. There, I said it, and I hope you all give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.